Welcome to our lesson on balancing chemical equations. Today we'll learn the basic rules, walk through examples step by step, and practice solving problems together. Let's start with the basic rules for balancing chemical equations. Rule 1. The number of atoms of each element must be equal on both sides of the equation. Rule 2. We can only add coefficients in front of compounds or molecules. We cannot change the subscripts. Rule 3. Start with the most complex molecule, then move to simpler ones. Let's look at our first example. Hydrogen plus oxygen yields water. We start with H2 plus O2 yields H2O. Let's count hydrogens first. We have 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Now oxygen. 2 on the left, but only 1 on the right. To fix this, we'll add a coefficient of 2 in front of H2O. Now we have 2 hydrogens on the left, but 4 on the right. So we add a coefficient of 2 in front of H2. Let's do our final check for hydrogens on each side and 2 oxygens on each side. Perfect. Let's try a more challenging example. Iron plus oxygen yields iron 3 oxide. We start with Fe plus O2 yields Fe2O3. First iron, 1 on left, 2 on right. Oxygen, 2 on left, 3 on right. Let's balance iron first by adding 2 in front of Fe. Now for oxygen we need 3 atoms, but O2 gives us 2 at a time. We need 3 O2 molecules to get 6 oxygen atoms. Then multiply Fe2O3 by 2 to use all 6 oxygens. Our balanced equation is 4 Fe plus 3 O2 Fe2O3. Let's review some common mistakes to avoid. Never change subscripts in compounds. Don't forget to check all elements. Remember to use whole number coefficients only. To summarize, remember these key steps. 1. Write the unbalanced equation 2. Count atoms on both sides 3. Add coefficients to balance 4. Check your work, practice these steps, and you'll master balancing chemical equations.